Hi guys, today we will learn how to create autocomplete with Laravel 5. So basically in our website you can see here I write a tutorials with how we can create autocomplete with Laravel 5. So we will do it same thing with our video tutorials. So first of all we will create a database on phpMyAdmin. So let me open my phpMyAdmin. Okay, right now it's open. So first of all we will create a new database, a demo2. Okay, and I create simply. Okay, in the next I downloaded Laravel 5.6 here, and so let me open first.env file. Okay, so first of all I need to configure database details. So first I will look here from I created database demo2 is the database name, and then username is root, and my password is also root. Okay, I simply saved here. Okay, in our tutorials we will just follow the few steps and then it will be done. So here first of all created a new migration using Laravel command. First of all I will clear here. Okay, so right now I am in a blog. So first of all I will create a migration using command that I added here. Okay, okay, and let's see. Okay, let me refresh here. Let me refresh again. I think maybe something is issues there. Okay, let me go back and then blog and then I'll again create. Okay, okay, now let's see. Oh, it's not here again. Yes, now it is. Okay, here you can see I added title and description both here. So let me add that bot things here. Okay, okay, right. Okay, I added this. Let me run the migration. PHP artisan and migrate. Yes, migration is done. Let me show in our demo2 database. Yes, now items is created with a title and description both column. Okay. Then in the next step we have to create item model. So we will create using a Laravel command php artisan mac model item. Okay. Okay. Now let's see here. Yes, need to I think refresh it. Yes, yes. Now it is created here. Okay, we created. Okay, in the next step we have to create a two routes. So I have to simple just copy from here and add in our Laravel 5.6 region. Okay, in web I simply add here. Okay, I created two routes for search and the name is a search, and also I have to create a search controller in the next step I think. Yes, in the next step I have to create a search controller. So first of all I will create a search controller. So here in a controller folder, yes, search the controller.php. Okay, now I think I have to refresh again. Yes. Then I have to just copy this code and put here in controller. Okay. Okay. Now it is here. Okay, in the next step, we have to create a model. Sorry, we have to create a blade file. So first of all, we will create a search.blade file. So simply just copy the name from here. Okay, in the resource and then a view. Okay, let me add. Okay, now I have to again refresh for that. Yes, now here is a blade file. Okay, I have to just simply copy this thing. Okay, and then simply run. Okay, let's see what happening. Let me run the PHP artisan serve command. Yes. Okay, now we can open the project. Yes, now it's running. Okay, let me open our URL. We created a route, search route for that. Yes. So simply we checked here. Yeah, we have a one error. Layouts.x is not found because we extend a theme in our blade file as you can see here. Okay, let me remove for now. Yes, we will remove that for now. Yes. Okay, now let's see what happening. Yes, now it is working. Okay, it's very small. Let me also remove that. Yes, I added a margin and width also. Let me remove. Yes, it is. Okay, now let me add. Oh, not happening. Okay, I think we have to add some dummy records in our items tables. Okay, let me add like Laravel and Laravel DES and also Laravel 5.6 and also we have a disclaimer and okay, let's add. Yeah, let me add another PHP and PHP 7 and also PHP 7 here. Okay, I think description is not needable, I think. Okay, now let's see. We have a four column. Okay, now let's see what happening. Yes, I refreshed and let me add Laravel. Yeah, it's working now. As you can see here, I added search. Oh, let me change here Laravel. Yes, and let's see what happening. Yeah, you can see here it is working. So you can see here in the tutorials also how it is working, and don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Thank you.